Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this morning severe weather update. So we do have an enhanced risk of severe weather today across much of Missouri and north central Arkansas in the orange shade area, with a slight risk from the Arklatex through west central Illinois and a marginal risk from eastern Texas through southeastern Iowa. And taking a look at our probabilities of seeing a tornado touch down within 25 miles of a location today, we do have a 10% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location today across much of Missouri and Arkansas in the yellow shade area. And this area is also going to be hatched, so we do have the potential to see EF2 or stronger tornadoes across much of the yellow hatched area today, including the northern areas of Little Rock, Springfield, Illinois, and Jefferson City, Missouri. So make sure you do have your tornado shelter plan in place if you live especially across areas of Arkansas and Missouri today. We have a 5% chance of a tornado from the Arklatex through southwestern Illinois in the brown, and a 2% chance of a tornado from East Texas and northwest Louisiana through southeastern Iowa and central Illinois in the green shade area. Make sure you're on guard for scattered tornadoes if you live across the brown shade area, and isolated tornadoes if you live across the green shade area for today. Looking at our damaging wind threat, we have a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location across much of our enhanced risk as well in Missouri and north central Arkansas. Make sure you're on guard for numerous damaging wind gusts if you live across the red shade area, a scattered damaging wind gust if you live across the yellow shade area, and isolated damaging wind gusts if you live across the brown shade area. And looking at our large hail threat, make sure you're on guard for quarter-sized hail or larger if you live across the yellow area, especially today. So taking a look at our timing of the storms, we have a lot of rain moving through areas of the Midwest this morning, but as we go into about noon, this is when we could start to see some semi-discrete supercells across areas of eastern Oklahoma, southwestern Missouri, producing some tornadoes. But I do believe our tornado threat will ramp up as we go into about 1 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, as we see a line of embedded supercells form across northwest Arkansas through southeastern Kansas and southwestern Missouri. This will also produce a lot of damaging winds as we go into about 3 to 4 o'clock, and these storms move through areas like Springfield, Missouri, and Kansas City, Missouri, producing numerous tornadoes and damaging wind gusts. Watch out for some of these semi-discrete supercells ahead of the storm, the line as well. These could produce your stronger tornadoes. And then going into about 5 o'clock, these storms will move through central Missouri, central and north central Arkansas, producing numerous tornadoes and damaging wind gusts as they do so. Going into 6 and 7 o'clock, these will push through east central Missouri, southeastern Iowa. You could also see some tornadoes from this as well. And then going into about 8, 9, 10 o'clock, storms will push through St. Louis, perhaps a tornado or two as well in the St. Louis area before our storms weaken as we go into about 11 and midnight as they push through Illinois. So we do have the potential for a localized tornado outbreak today across areas of Missouri and Arkansas. So make sure you are preparing for this afternoon especially. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.